Hello esteemed colleagues, in this tutorial video we'll delve into two small but useful sections, My Documents and Examination. My Documents section is being used to keep all documents sent by you over the WAYL system. For example, crew member fills out report and sends it back. This report will be kept in this section and available all the time. You can use search to find necessary document by its name. Examination section is being used to create simple tests. You can access it either from homepage or left side menu. For now, we are looking onto it from office employee perspective and we are able to create an exam. Select rank from drop-down list to which this exam is applicable, then select existing test from drop-down list or create a new one. You can mark vessels where this exam will be available. After, enter the test title and add necessary amount of questions by pressing Add Question button. You can edit or delete questions by pressing corresponding buttons on the right side. Upon pressing Edit button, you can enter question, answer on it, and wait, meaning value of this question regarding to the test. You can add multiple answers by pressing Add button. Press Save button and edited question will appear in the list. After, press Save button again and now exam will be available for selected run. Crew member, after logging into the system, will be able to complete test in the same section. He will not be able to edit it, only answering questions. After completion, test results will be saved and office employee can review them in test results tab. Hope this information was helpful. Subscribe to stay tuned and thanks for watching.